everyone, Christine here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all my new subscribers. I have another design team project for My Creative Time, and let me share with you the products that I've used. I've used some of my favorite paper pads. These are Fun Valentines. This one I love the hearts and I love this paper. And this one is called Script Hearts and Solids. Super cute paper pads. And as far as the dies, I use this purse die. I reach for this all the time. I use the present box die. Scallop heart tag dies. I use the small scalloped heart. The mini bow dies. I use this set here. The cute heart dies. These are sold separately, by the way. And I use this heart here. And then I use my A2 fancy frame dies and A2 fancy frame layer dies. So let me bring this up a little bit closer. Isn't that super cute? So I cut out two of the purses. And then I assembled my box, but what I did was I cut a little bit off the top of the box, like 5/8 of an inch, so it's not taller than the purse. Let me share with you. So here's the top of the box, and see where the angle is? I cut it here, and that's about 5/8 of an inch from the top. So anyway, so I added my layers. I have a doily here for my stash. I tore a piece of paper for another layer and I inked the edges. Added my A2 layers and my hearts. I popped up the scalloped heart and added dimension to the small heart here. And I have my appliques here, here and there. And I have my bow at the top here, and I added some dimension and a little heart pearl bling. And I have my flower cluster here with my seam binding bow, and this lace is from Mimi Jocelyn Designs. Hey girl. And this is one of my favorite heart pearl blings from Hobby Lobby, a blessing from Lady Kre. Thank you so much, sweetie. And let's see, and then I added some trim, lace trim, some flat back pearls. And let's see, oh, and I also have a charm here. This heart charm is also a blessing from Lady Kre. And these beads are from her shop, funcreations.com. And let me share with you the back. It's just plain, but I did want to add the lace and flat back pearls. And I think that's it. And I do have a process tutorial coming up in case you're interested. And I'm going to leave the links down below to all of the products that I've used, as well as to all of my fellow design team members. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. And I thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.